Hey there, friend. This is the Grow Your Daycare podcast. I am popping in your podcast feed with a special message. So if you've been following the show for a while, you know that I help providers, childcare center owners with their marketing. And I am doing something really cool until the end of this week. So right now it is April 17th. So up until Friday, which is going to be the 19th of April, I am having a out with the old and in with the new marketing sale. So if you are looking to invest in your marketing, your growth, your marketing education, this is the ideal time to join if you want to save some money and really get the most out of your marketing package. So there's two ways we can work together. The first way is inside the Childcare Business Growth Hub. This is my monthly marketing membership for childcare providers as well as small center owners. So what happens in this membership is you get basically everything you need to grow your business. So let me just detail what that means. First thing you get as soon as you become a member is daily posts and graphics, so you never have to worry about what to post ever again. So these are written every single month. They're created, so the graphics are created new every single month. We're not repurposing anything. I go in and I create your social media content strategy. And then my graphic designer, he creates all the creatives, so the little promo videos, the IG reels, and the actual graphics. And what we do for our members is we actually text them this every single morning, so they never even have to open up a laptop if they don't want to. So you copy and paste what we send you, your platforms are updated, and you are good to go, okay? The other thing you get is monthly marketing workshops. So I go in and I leverage my experience as a childcare business owner, but also as a digital marketing strategist. And I take something that is working right now in the online space, I simplify it, we do a training on it, and then I teach you how to implement it in your business, right? So not only are you learning why it's important, but you are also learning how to implement it in your business. So things like how to track your data, how to make sure Google finds your website when someone searches for it, right? Things like that. The other thing you get is Facebook ads training. So I have an entire collection of videos on how to create your own Facebook ads. If you want to grow an email list, if you're hiring, if you want to get more conversations started with potential clients, I cover all of that and so much more. So you get access to that as well. And we have weekly Q&A calls where you can basically pop on and ask me your marketing question. And there's also opportunities for you to book a one-on-one with me as your marketing consultant. So we hop on a 15-minute video call and we go through your strategy. I can give you some pointers on your Facebook ads, your creatives, or whatever it is that you're focusing on for that month. So you get access to all of that. And for our sale up until Friday, we're offering this at a 20% discount. So instead of paying $47, you can actually get in at around $37, which is a great steal. And you get access to the entire library of content and everything else since we started. Okay. So it's really valuable if you're someone that wants to learn, you're coachable, you're ready to do the work, and you need someone to really bounce ideas off of, and you want to have that one-on-one support. This is amazing for you. The other promo that we're having is a new program or a new service that I started really just advertising because I did do this with a few clients privately and it really helped them. So I decided to add this in our promo. So this is a one-on-one marketing strategy session. So it's for 30 days. And what we do in this 30-day time period is I go in and I look over your marketing strategy. So we meet and you tell me what's going on, what's working, what's not working. And then I'm going to do an audit of your website, your social media platforms, your messaging, your creatives. And I'm going to give you a detailed plan of what to fix. I'm going to share with you how to fix it. And then we're going to meet at the end of this 30 days to see if you've actually done the work, right? So there's a lot of accountability and a lot of following the plan that is created for you. And at the end of the 30 days, you are going to have a complete marketing strategy that has been customized to your business. So you'll know exactly what to fix. And then going forward, you'll know exactly what you should be doing daily, weekly, monthly, so that you're always on top of your marketing. So this is for someone that is ready to invest that time to work together. And we usually charge around $490 for this. Again, it's a 20% discount as well. I am going to put the link to the promo page underneath this podcast episode in the show notes. So if you are interested in working together, now is the time to get in and claim your discount. I hope you guys are having an amazing Tuesday, and I will see you in just a few days for our next podcast episode.